Hello everybody, this is the training video for the Client Builder tab. We're now at version 1.93 for the EU software tools. Previously, the Client Builder tab was labeled as Search Clients. More appropriately now it's called Client Builder because it's actually building connections between you and the companies instead of just searching now. So let me go over the basics here. We have the top 320 cities programmed by population in the United States. If you want, you can enter a state and a city and add. So you can add any city that we don't already have, and you basically just add the type of company that you're looking for. You can put in CPA here, for instance, or accountant or whatever in this vertical, and set it to Quick Scan is my suggestion. You can use others. We also have Yahoo and Super Pages. Quick Scan is really performing better than the other two. You can select email only, as I usually do, and then you just hit the play button. Most of you that are familiar with our systems, you know that there's a play button to hit. So after it scans, then you can see the kind of data that we have. Often we can get the owner's name now. We didn't used to be able to, and we can get a lot of good high-quality email addresses as well. And then we can also get their social connections. So we can get a lot better social connections than we used to. So in the spirit of getting those social connections, what I've added is the ability to invite directly from these companies from LinkedIn. So basically you can put in your LinkedIn invite message here up in the Messages tab. And this is my invite one is what I labeled it. And then after the scan, I just select them all. The system knows which ones have LinkedIn links. Okay, and we've got quite a few of them here. And then you just hit this invite button. It will log into LinkedIn, and it will go to either the owner's personal profile or the business page of the company, depending on what the company has listed from their website, which is where we're getting these links. Usually it's a business page, so in that case the system will select employees, and then it will invite the top 5 of those employees. Of course, if there's only 4 employees listed, it will only be able to get 4, but it invites the top 5, getting the executives and or owner, the most important people of those companies, and inviting them to connect, sending them a personalized invite message. The connection ratio from doing this type of invite is very high, and we're getting a lot of good traction with this. So I want you to know now that we have even better data than before, and we're able to get even more social links. Now we can just directly invite to LinkedIn and build our LinkedIn connections, and of course in our other systems then we can email those connections. We can also follow on Twitter. Again, just select all and hit the follow, and we can follow on Google Plus as well. If any of you are familiar with either Twitter or Google Plus, you'll know that when somebody follows you back, well, you can send them a message. And a lot of people that do use Google Plus, there's not as many as LinkedIn, of course, but a lot of the people that do use Google Plus will follow you back. So now we have a whole different ball game, much improved data, and the ability to directly connect with our target market and build our database automatically. All we have to do is just put in the target market that we want and select the city, or you can select a couple, 3 cities, and hit that play button, build the database, and directly connect with your LinkedIn connections and or the Twitter or Google Plus. And it's that simple now. Now, of course, we can also export this data and we can move it into a system to email it, or we can upload it into our account at Entrepreneurs United with this button right here. So we can store it and accumulate it there, and also, of course, export it to our PC in a CSV file, and from there we can use it in the social verifier as well. Okay, I will go over the social verifier a little bit later, but for now, this is the simple way to scan, find your target market, and connect and build your database all in one system, and that is the Client Builder tab. Thank you for watching.